Hey everyone, welcome to Mondays with Mary. So, before I even get started, I want to apologize because this is not going to be a normal Mondays with Mary. It's going to be an abbreviated kind of one. Between the Advent calendar videos every day, I'm still Christmas shopping and I'm still working on my Christmas cards, but they are going out by tomorrow. I'm just saying, it's been a while here trying to get these cards done, and I have decided that if I start in January and I make one Christmas card a week, I will be all done by November, I think, or close, because waiting until Thanksgiving to start your Christmas cards is not something I would advise. It's been very stressful, very stressful. So I need to apologize, and it's like I just could not even put a creative thinking cap on, let alone plan a project to do. So if you're new and you just subscribed, I apologize. It will get better after Christmas. In fact, there's some new things I want to do or to try. So if you can give me grace till after the holidays, that would be wonderful. But I do have something fun to share. So if you have been following me, you know that I subscribe sporadically to the Tonic Craft Kit. And what I mean is that I subscribe, but I cancel every month. Unless it's something really unique or different that I don't have. And I think this past year, this is probably maybe the third box kit that I've gotten. But I did fall in love with this one. But of course, I'm not sure what their thought was, that they would have the December box kit be Christmas. I would have thought like maybe September or would have been the Christmas. I don't know. But I'll have plenty of time to use this kit for next year. So, monthly Tonic Craft Kit. One of the good things about it is that you can skip as much as you need. You do get a 10% discount on any product using the TCK code, and that registers, that knows if you're a subscriber. So that's a great benefit. And the price has gone up, but they're not as expensive as Summon Says ones. But off the top of my head right now, I wouldn't be able to tell you. So let me take this apart, because it does come in this nice box, and it has all these different goodies, and it comes with the dies, and it comes with the paper. So you do get your money's worth. But a lot of times they do 3D projects, and I just don't have the need or the room for a 3D project. And I know that I could convert it and probably turn the majority of them into a card, or a shaker or something. But if I'm spending the money for a kit, I want to use it how it was designed, because that's just how I roll and how my mind thinks. So we are going to start with the dies. So this is called Santa's Shaker Tags. And that was one of the, let me make sure you're going to be able to see. Let me get you, don't get nauseous. Okay. Santa's shaker tags. It's just so cute. Look, you can make all kinds. You can make regular tags, but you can make the shaker tags, and you get so much in the kit. It was just adorable when I saw it. So look at, you get little foam pads for your shakers. That's the label that always goes on it. These I can't remember. Foil Fusion, yeah. So these are Foil Fusion. You use, they're sticky, and you put the foil on them. Here's the, hold on. Let's just take this all out. So you've got different shapes. You've got the, I don't even know what you call that. It's like a label. So that's one, and there's the other one. And then you get an ornament, circle shape. And then you get all the little dies to decorate. There's little trees, little ornaments. Let's take the instructions out so I can show you. I mean, these are going to be adorable. You can't, unless you've already done all your Christmas cards and you've got nothing better to do, you can't send a kit. Oh, that was staticky. So look at this one, how cute it is. It's got the shaker inside, and then it's got a bell, and it says no peeking. Have you been naughty or nice? With a stocking. From our home to yours, with a shaker, with a tree. Jingle all the way, ho, ho, ho. Season's greetings, happy holidays. Merry Christmas to one and all, with a candy cane. Little ornaments on the ornament. And then it tells you how to make the shaker tag. And it looks like here you stack the number one base, which I believe is this one here. You cut 5 a base die and 5 of your 6 wall die cuts as shown. All right, okay. So you cut 1 base, which is this one, and then you cut 6 of these to build up the shaker. So I'm gonna try it that way because I've never tried making a shaker with just building up the pieces. I've always just used the foam tape. All right, so that's the dies. And then we've got, I think it's gonna tell us. Whoops. And let me know, there's a lot of paper in here. Let me know if you got this one. I think there's acetate in here. Yep. Oh, hear that? That's very, very thick acetate. So we've got acetate, heavyweight acetate. There's 2 of them. So we've got that, and then we've got, let's see what direction they've gone in here. Classic card, cherry, There's a classic card. It's supposed to be a cherry red, avocado green, grass green, or maybe that one. Okay, okay, hold on. All right, cherry red, rose pink, grass green, and avocado green, or the other way around. I don't know. And I don't know that it matters. Then we've got black, smooth cardstock. Then we have Opera Red and Harvest Gold in the mirror card, glossy mirror card. So that's all the papers and acetate that came. Let me put those away so they don't get marred up. And then the goodie bag. Let's put all of this away to the side. All right, so we've got Foil Fusion in the Opera Red and the Honey Gold. We've got Dream Drops in some color. Oh, here it is, Rudolph's Nose, which is not quite, well, I guess it is red. And then, what else do we have in here? We have double-sided craft tape, the dimensional phone pads that we already saw. And then look, we've got red and green stars, Santa's Sparkles, and this gold one is called Festive Trinkets. So there's enough in there to make quite a few shakers. Plus, you know, I've got Christmas shaker bits. So, yeah, so that's a lot. And I could be wrong, but I'm thinking the kit's like $39, $42, something like that. So it's a good price. It's a good price. And this one is a good one because I could probably pull together stuff to make the shakers. I mean, I could make the shakers, but I'd have to look high and low to find just the right size, you know, to make all the little additions that go on the shaker. You know, I've got this size. Well, I've got this shape, but not this size. So, and these are made especially. See how they're wide. So sometimes it's like blind at the wheel. Just go with it. So these are cute. And I'm thinking that you should just be able to lay it on top to transfer the foil, since it's fusion. So, all right, so there you have it. Like I said, I couldn't say no because it was just too cute. So, and I will be using, now I've got a whole year. I've got a whole year to make tags. And I think that they would be a great addition. Now, not every card. I don't know how many cards you send out. But not for every card. But for those cards for special people, it would be fun, you know, to make the card. And then, now these are cut in, but I'm thinking to make a card with a shaker ornament attached to the front. I think that would be fun. And I've got a whole year, so maybe it could happen. Stranger things have happened, you know. Sometimes I think when you're retired, you have less time than when you were not retired. I don't know. I can't explain it. So, anyway, so there it is. Tonic Craft Kit 98. I think my craft kit that I ever purchased was like 30, yeah, 34, 32, something like that. It was crazy. It's been so long. That's, God, that's a lot. I can't even do the math, how many years that's been. No, I can't. So, anyway, so here you have it. Again, I apologize that it's not a typical Mondays with Mary. I am going to do a short video before I send out my Christmas cards so that you can see what I've been working on. I must say that I think I did, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I did 7 different versions of Christmas cards, so not everybody is getting the same card. Some I made more than others, you know, like 6 of one, 4 of one, 6 of another one, but 7 different styles, I guess is what I should say. So I will do a short video to show you those before I send them out. All right, so that's it for today. I'm sorry, but I'm hoping that you guys are super busy and you appreciate a short video. I don't know if that's true, but I'm going with it. So, all right, so that's it. Tonic Studios. If you're interested, I think you can still pick them up because you can get them one-offs, which I think they're $5 more than if you subscribe. But you do get a lot. And then if you do subscribe, you do get that 10% discount on every order, which is nice, especially with prices going up because of everything, all the tariffs and whatnot. So, all right, so I'll leave you. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you think. If you have this one, if you've done Tonic before, if you haven't subscribed, it would be nice if you did. This is not a typical, like I said, Monday video, so don't make your decision based on this video. Yeah, so subscribe, thumbs up is the like button, share the videos. It's super easy. We do Mondays with Mary. I normally do one during the week, which I did not do this past week because of all the same reasons. But we will get back on a regular schedule, like I said, after Christmas. So, and if you're following along with the Advent calendars, openings, I will see you tomorrow. If not, hopefully I'll see you next week or later on this week. Fingers crossed. But until then, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.